What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan, my unfiltered reviews, of course. And today we're going to be replacing this little bad boy here, this little solar panel. It's pretty much flimsy. After 6 years of it being on my shed, it's not working the way it's supposed to. So I'm actually going to replace it with something way better and more efficient and brighter than what I had before. So let me get to the video further. Let me showcase to you guys what I got going on, what the issues are with this one. Obviously, I have another new pair in the shed as well, but I didn't want to replace it with that, so I'm going to go with something completely foreign and completely new and way better, new and improved, that would be. So let me get to this further. Let's go. So basically I'm going to be replacing this with this here. So pretty much the panel is going to go up here to, accumulate sunlight, sun rays, and that way it will be able to illuminate these two lights over here inside the shed. So I'm going to actually walk inside the shed and showcase to you guys what happens when I go inside the shed. It doesn't detect my body anymore. It's very, very frustrating. I have to continuously keep fidgeting around with the wire. Actually, look at that. It came on today for whatever reason. So that's kind of weird. But long story short, you're still getting replaced. So, and it's not as bright as I want it to be. So when you come in here at night, it's kind of a travesty to figure out where all my stuff is, and there's quite a lot of stuff, and obviously not stumble into anything is also a problem as well. Lighting is essential, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and replace that and make it much easier for me to access my stuff at night. And every time I walk in here, this will come on regularly. And the other ones are 300 watts, so they're much brighter than this one for sure. Let me see if I can find the other one, the new one that I had, the replacement that I was thinking of, so to speak. Yeah, it's this one here. It's split solar lamp. That's the one that's on there now. This is a replacement for it. I made a video of that. I'll actually put the video link in the description below as well if you're interested in checking it out. If you have a small shed, or if you're in a full warm weather town or state or whatever it may be that you live in country, this will be perfect for you. But however, it's way too small for what I got going on inside this shed, so that's why I'm going to replace it. Maybe I should have put 2, maybe I should have put 3, but I didn't want to bother with that. So it's just better to get those ones and replace them. Put a 300 watt one in there, and its remote controls perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead with the installation, showcase that to you guys. Let's go. All right, so I'm practically gonna put it together in the shade because it's too hot outside to be in the sun. Long story short, so we're gonna have to unscrew these things here just to put it together. Pretty much how you do it. One of the light came on as I did that. I don't know why, but oh well. Yeah, the other one came on as well. Well, that in a nutshell. So pretty much what we're going to do is prepare the panel to be put on the shed. And by doing so, we pretty much want to place this bracing and moving mechanism on the back of it. So it's pretty much what you want to do there. Let's put this here. So I'll show you two guys and get the screws ready. Alright, so So basically you want these screws here to go like so and so. And what you want to do, actually, it's gonna go the opposite direction, sorry. All right, so one's in, the other's in as well. And now it's just a matter of screwing everything together. Alright. You want to put all your wires in the back of this. And that's that in a nutshell, pretty much. So that's one of the biggest part of this. And the other big part is going to be to put the lights inside and install them. So let me go to the shed now and figure that out. Whew. So that's practically how it should look. Braced completely together like so, with the grommets on each side, and obviously the piece, the bracket in itself, sorry, is sitting at a 90-degree angle. So you want to be able to move it if you see fit to where the sun is mostly flexible for your shed, so to speak. So let me go ahead and start taking the other one off and putting this one on. All right, guys, it's fully installed. As you can see, it's on top right now. What I was able to do is put it at a slanted level because I can't reach any more than that. So it should still be able to get plenty of sun for the interior of the shed in itself. So that's what it looks like for right now. Looks amazing. So hopefully I'll buy a bigger bracket for it so we can actually rotate it 90 degrees and get more sun exposure, especially in the winter time. I'm just debating on that, of course, because winter time, obviously, if it's at a 90-degree incline, snow gets to accumulate on top of it. So it might be good this way as well. Let me show you the inside and what it looks like and how the lights come on. All right, let's go. So basically, this is the inside right there. This is the one light, this is the other light. That's the hole where I have to fish the wires through. I haven't figured out where to properly place this wire just yet to hide it the best way I know how. So I'm probably gonna hide it on the side of this and then fish it around these beams here. So that's a story for another day, but I just wanted to show it to you guys fully installed and operational. As of right now, it's charging. And I can get it running in no time. Let's see here. And it comes with a little remote too. That's what's cool about it. See, it's on, very, very bright. Both of them are on. Can't really go wrong with that. Yep, sorry, don't get dizzy on me. But both of them are on now. Be able to get everything installed. Didn't take me nothing but 10 minutes to do it. I didn't showcase that, but that's how great it looks right now. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video in its entirety. I have my little remote in my hand. That's the remote it came with. Hope you guys enjoy this. Don't hesitate to hype, share, comment, subscribe to the channel as well, because I'm trying to grow the channel out. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Enjoy guys. Peace.